In the last year, Bitcoin has gone down almost 80%. In the same period of time, I'm up over 410%. I'm going to explain to you how I did it, and then I'm going to explain how you can do the same. First, let me tell you that money can be made in this sideways cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is staying the same price, however there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies that are perfect to trade at this time. Money can be made in this market, and as you can see, money is being made.
Says on the beat, boy.
You can call me Will, or my most common name, Crypto Oracle. I make videos to teach people how to become better cryptocurrency traders. But today I'm here to show you all the program that led me to 400% plus gains in the past 6 months. So I'm a partner with a company called Blockchain Education. We harbor the most elite group of cryptocurrency traders out there today. As a service, we offer you the complete set of tools to make you the best trader out there, including 24/7 expert technical analysis, hundreds of live calls, and most importantly, a complete video and multimedia education program. Additionally, you'll find that we have tools such as live practice exchanges, an exclusive partnership with TradingView, the most advanced algorithmic filters and trading tools, custom coin alerts, ICO reviews. We've got it all. Even if you've never bought a single coin or cryptocurrency or don't even know what Bitcoin really is, we will teach you from start to finish. The learning curve is not very steep. I've seen traders go from nothing to completely profitable in a month. Our traders who have been around for a year plus, they're dominating the market. It's way easier than you think. The amount of profit that you can make is only limited by the amount of work you're willing to put in. I'm going to bring you over to the computer to show you all the features of our program right now.
So this is it, guys. I'm here at my main trading workstation and I have the Blockchain Education program up here on the screen so I can take you through each individual extremely valuable feature that we have. I'm going to go through the 3 main features first in what I view as the 3 most important trading assets, the most important trading tools that you can have and that you need to be a profitable trader. So the 3 main features that I'm going to first explain are calls, our training and education program, as well as our chat room. These are the features that you're going to be using the most when you join Blockchain Education. You're going to use the chat room to discuss with other members your trades, your entries, the technical analysis to help you learn. You're going to use the education program. As soon as you get in there, you're going to start watching videos. You're going to get updated. You're going to get your trading strategies. You're going to understand how to buy Bitcoin, how to trade Bitcoin, which alts are good to trade. And finally, you're going to go to the calls section as soon as you want to start making money. So to explain that and just to give you guys some really exciting information, I'm going to first show you the performance of our calls system that come from our technical analysis experts. This is our official performance report. Our performance report goes over, looks at all of our calls and averages our profits based between the months of 2018 and back into 2017 when we first started, and then also the individual weeks of each month. And what you're going to want to look at here is especially the last 3 or 4 months. So if I pull up the official Bitcoin to US dollar on Coinbase chart that shows the price over time, you can see that since July, if you track the average price and the average movement of the price, it is down almost 35%. So if you're just holding on to Bitcoin, if you're a simple trader and you just hold Bitcoin, you bought some in July, right at around, what was it? If you bought some in July at, 8,000, 8,500 and you just held on to it, you're gonna go ahead and lose 35% of your total investment. Now, let's go ahead and look at our performance if you followed the calls that are within Blockchain Education. So go ahead and check out our performance report because this is something that I am extremely proud of. I'm extremely proud of our technical analysis experts, of Jonathan Regan, our head co-founder and master trader. You can see that from July to August, especially from August to October, Our average is between 77 and 80% profits, maxing out at 98%. The average trades through the second week of September 2018 totaling 98% profit. Think about that. 98% profit if you're following these calls, if you educate yourself, if you're in the chat room, and if you finally trade along with our calls, you're making 98%, which is basically doubling your money. Versus if you just bought Bitcoin like what you used to be able to do, you used to be able to buy Bitcoin, buy these coins, hold on to them, and just increase your investment. But if you did that, you would be down 35% over the past 3 or 4 months. Again, if you were within blockchain education, if you were an active member of the program, if you're educating yourself, if you're following calls, if you're following our master technical analysis, you would be making anywhere between 80 to 100%. I'm going to take you over and show you the official call system. Now, I want you to keep in mind that our call system is not just for simple traders that want to get in there, follow a call, and make money. Yes, you can do that, but you're not going to be learning anything. You're not going to be making yourself a better trader because simply we are an education program and the calls are there to assist you in making your trades more profitable and increasing your knowledge of technical analysis so you can eventually make those trades on your own. Go ahead and go into our official calls panel. Now you can see we have a total of 62 active calls. So 62 active calls that you can trade on at any one time. This will fluctuate anywhere between 50 and 100 calls depending on how active the markets are. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll through these calls from an average of 6.5, 9.9, 5.7% calls all the way up to 43%. We've got a 12%er here. We've got some 15%, some 12%, some 13% calls. And keep in mind that these calls can be stacked. You can absolutely trade multiple calls at one time, especially depending on how much you're investing with. There we have a chart that you can just pull up. You click on it and it shows you a completely active chart that was crafted by one of our TA experts. You can see where to set your stop loss, where you should buy the coin, where you can enter your trade, and then eventually where to take profits to start securing some of those average profit percentages. That's not even the coolest thing. The coolest thing is going to happen whenever you click on the view button. So I'm just going to take this XRP to Ethereum call over here and click on view. It's doing all right now, 9.9%. That's not as great as a lot of our calls, but it is pretty solid and you might even be able to still get into it. So from here, what you're going to want to do is check out the coin chart on the left. You're going to see some short notes from one of our official technical analysts that will say, okay, we're in an upward trend. We've got to retrench at the 50% Fibonacci zone and a possible chance of making profit. Obviously, we're up 9.9%, so it is in the profit zone. So what you're going to want to do is check out the chart, see what our technical analyst has said about the current zone, about where you're going to want to buy, where you're going to want to sell. And then here is where you can start educating yourself and learning how to make these trades on your own. So you check out this chart on the left, and then what we have is an exclusive partnership with the trading software TradingView. TradingView is my personal favorite way to chart cryptocurrencies and stocks, but we completely integrated right here on the right. So what we can do is look at the left chart, see what the technical analyst has said, see what he's thinking, and then go ahead and make your own decisions. So you see the Fibonacci zone, maybe you see your moving averages, you see a trend that you want to make, then you can go in here on the right and within the same window, go ahead and draw your lines. You can say, all right, here's some support down here. We take that, we grab another line, we say, here's our resistance up here, and we can compare that to our official coin chart. What this is going to do is start to get you familiar with trading and doing your own technical analysis, because all of our calls are based off of technical analysis. Technical analysis has been around for many, many years. Basically, since the stock market was created, people have been looking at official charts and doing analysis on them to create profit zones. So you draw your own chart, you draw your own supports and resistances, you do whatever you want with your chart. And even from there, you can take it further. You can take a quick screenshot or even just share your chart and go ahead and drop a link to that chart or drop that picture into the chat system so that one of our technical analysts can go ahead and review your chart, tell you what you're doing right, tell you what you should be thinking, tell you what you're doing wrong, and you can improve on your personal charting and trading skills. So basically, the point we're trying to get across here is you can use our calls not only to make money in the short term, so as soon as you jump in, as soon as you join, you can enter the call system, you can start entering some of these trades, but you can also take these trades and use them to learn on your own, because that's what's going to get you further in trading and make you a better trader. One more thing I want to show you guys is our brand new feature, our buy and sell trading system. So you have your live chart, you have your technical analysis overview here on the left. all you have to do is scroll down to here. Set up your API key. It's super easy. Copy and paste it from Binance. We're working with Binance right now for this custom buy sell system. So all you have to do when you see your trade is go down to the bottom of the page. Currently we are on Waves, which is up 71% right now. Extremely great call from our technical analysts. But let's say you want to sell some of that call, you want to secure some of those profits. All you have to do is go down and it'll show your available Binance balance of Waves, of whatever you're trading, of Bitcoin. Let's say you want to buy some, so you go ahead and buy some on the market buy side. This makes it super easy and super accessible. You can use blockchain education for your analysis and then your trading all on the same page. Super simple, super well crafted, and very, very convenient. We even offer limit orders so that you can set your stop losses and your stop limits wherever you want through blockchain education. First thing you're going to want to jump into if you're a beginner trader, you're going to want to go ahead and click on the trading panel. From the trading panel, we have three options: you, your actions, and your environment. So not only are we a trading education platform, but we're also going to teach you how to manage your money. We're going to teach you how to account and pay taxes on your cryptocurrency gains. We have tons of interviews with absolute experts, not only from Australia, where we are located on the Gold Coast, but also from all around the world. So I clicked on the Your Actions panel. This is going to teach you how to trade, how to learn some of that basic technical analysis. You can see we've got dozens of videos up already covering Fibonacci's, when to use stop losses, understanding your positions, understanding moving averages, when should you sell, when should you start taking profits, trends, resistances, supports. These are all done by our master trader, Jonathan Regan. So from here, we have our first and most important feature, and that's going to be the chat room. Chat room is going to let you interact with not only the other members, but also our expert technical analysts and even our founders, Jonathan Regan and Asitha. As you can see, we already have our chat just going off right here with tons of trades. We've got a new trade that just happened 1 minute ago. From here, you can see we've got one of our members asking some questions about Ripple on the 1 minute chart. So what he's doing here, and what you can do once you join, is you just throw your chart down in there. Ask one of our expert traders, hey, what's going on here? Does this look good? Should I change it at all? Or should I just not enter this trade at all? Am I not going to be profitable in this trade? And they're going to go ahead and give their expert opinion on your personal trade. So you're not just talking to every other member, you're talking to our staff. You're talking to our expert analysts. We actually have hundreds of other channels that are going to go into ICO discussion, software signals. That's a little algorithm that one of our members created that'll give you a little alert whenever we have any type of variance or volatility within certain coins. You can have specific channels for each coin. So I'm only in currently the Bitcoin and Ethereum channel, but you can get into a channel for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Binance, Nano, whatever you want. There's going to be a channel for it, and there's going to be people posting their charts, posting their questions. You can learn along with them. This is an education program, and you are learning with every other member. Every single member in this program is trying to become a better and more profitable trader, and we just have such a great community that they're going to try to help you out too. Our community loves new traders. They love guys that are hungry to learn, that are hungry to make profits in this sector. They want you to succeed just like I do, just like our founders do. There, I'm just going to show you a few more features because we have a lot of features, but I don't have a lot of time. I don't want to make this video super long, so I'm just going to go through some of my favorite features. Next, we're going to check out fastest moving calls. As you can see, we have endorsed calls. Endorsed calls is just going to be some of our members that are really good traders, but not technically on staff, that want to make calls and contribute to the community. From there, we have fastest moving active calls. This is one of my favorite features. It's all color coded. Information is displayed to you algorithmically, so whatever the coin pair is, it's going to show the price and how much change and how much it's gone up in the past 15, 30, 45 minutes, an hour, and 4 hours. And from there, you can identify which calls are currently moving. So if you want to get into a quick day trade, this is what you're going to want to check out, because as soon as you see one of these really fast moving calls, what you can do is click view, see the call details, see that it's moved 1.13% in the past 15 minutes, and get into this call right now and sell maybe an hour later, and you might be up 5 to 10%. So you can get in on these really quick day trades that are going to secure super fast profits as soon as you join. Additionally, I want to show you guys the hot coins page, which is what we're on right now. As you can see, it shows the current 1 hour leaders. So what coins are blasting off right now? It's going to sort everything by the 1 hour. So whatever's up on the 1 hour candlestick for the last 1 hour is going to be sorted to the top, and from there you can also see stats for the 24-hour and 7-day. So this will also give you another insight into making your own calls, so you can check which coins are hot to trade right now. Use this in conjunction with our fastest moving calls page, and you're going to be aware of almost every single trading opportunity that's out there. From there, you can see our custom alert system. Our custom alert system is also pretty new. What you can do is just select any altcoin out there, select what the alert is going to specify. So if you want it to send you an email or a text as soon as it increases by 10% so that you can enter a trade, or as soon as it goes down by 10% so that you can sell a trade, add that value and you can just get that alert immediately so that you're constantly on your feet. You're a constant trader. That's the thing about cryptocurrency. These are 24-hour markets. So there, I just opened up our proprietary practice exchange. So as you join Blockchain Education, you'll have access to our practice exchange at no extra cost. So including in the price, you get this full service practice exchange. You just create an account and you can start trading with practice calls immediately. So before you even invest any money into cryptocurrency, let's say you're a more cautious trader and you don't want to put any money in first before you start learning and before you become a better trader, you can use our practice exchange to follow our exact calls and trade for yourself without investing any money at all. And then finally, just a quick note, we also have our active ICO page. So if you want to be an investor in a new ICO, or if you just want to look for new ICOs that are out there and might be a solid investment, you can go to our active ICO page and find out every single active ICO out there at this moment. When the ICO is going to become available and when it's going to close off for early investors, you can go ahead and just click on the website and it'll take you straight there. And we're also going to explain in simple words and a short little description what the ICO is doing itself. So that's about all I can show you guys right now without giving away too much information. It kind of has a lot of value. Next, I'm just going to show you real quick how to join before we end this video. What you're going to want to do is click the first link in the description. That's going to automatically apply the Crypto Oracle discount code. So you're only getting this by clicking that first link in the description. If you just go to the Blockchain Education website, it's not going to have this automatic coupon, and you're going to want to use it because it's going to apply every single month of your membership and save you a lot of money. As soon as you click on that link in the description, it's going to take you to this page. It's our sales page. It just kind of gives you a rundown of everything I just said, but just in more of a text, shorter, more concise format, and you can even watch the video that'll explain everything I just said, but from Jonathan Regan's perspective. What you're going to want to do is click on either join as a monthly member or join as an annual member. Now, I'm going to try to explain what you should do. So tell our members that it's probably going to take 2 to 3 months to get the hang of things, especially if you just started trading. So if you really just want to try out trading in cryptocurrency, you're going to want to choose the monthly member option. However, if you've been trading before and you really think that this program is for you and you're really determined to learn and become a profitable trader, because that's what I try to express, is that you will become a profitable trader as long as you're willing to put the work in. So if you want to be one of our dedicated master traders, you're going to want to go ahead and sign up for the annual membership. The annual membership is going to save you 30% right off the bat just for paying for 12 months in advance. And you can cancel after that 1 year if you want, if you don't think you need our program anymore. If you're already just a master trader and you can knock everything out, you can automate everything, and you're probably just doing this for fun at this point, that's completely fine. You click on the monthly option, it's just going to take you to this page. You're going to fill out your contact information, your payment information, and from there it's going to automatically create an account for you and sign you up for Blockchain Education, and you can just, as soon as you pay, automatically join the system and start trading immediately. Current price is $297 without the coupon, but as soon as you use the Crypto Oracle link right down below, you're going to get an immediate discount, and it's going to knock it down to $252. Now, a lot of people might be thinking, $252, that's a lot of money to pay monthly, but we really are giving you more value than you're paying for. So if you pay the $252, if you are a serious trader, we are looking for people that are willing to learn. So if you're willing to make the investment, I'm telling you, it's super easy to make your monthly feedback within 1 or 2 weeks if you're willing to put in the work day to day. I've heard so many times from members that have joined and then 2 weeks later they'll send me a DM on Twitter or a private message in Blockchain Education and say, I'm so glad I found this platform. Go ahead and check it out, guys. That's all I can really ask for you. I've been working with Blockchain Education. Me and Jonathan started on this adventure about a year ago, and I've really invested so much of my time and effort into this, as well as Jonathan. He's really just made it his mission to create such a beautiful education platform that he really just wants everybody in the community to make money. He's such a selfless guy. So proud of this program. So this has been the second update video of Blockchain Education and kind of a sales video just for the guys that haven't seen it before. But I just wanted to say thank you to all of the members of Blockchain Education. I love you guys so much. Please say hi whenever you see me in the platform. Whenever I get in there and post some charts, please say hello. I will respond as I always do. I can ask you at this point is to go ahead and click on that first link and at least check out the program and check out what we have to offer, because I really think it is helping out a lot of people. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I am proud of how far this program has come and how much value it is giving to our users. So again, thank you. This has been the Crypto Oracle, and good luck trading this week.
Let me explain one more time why you absolutely need this program to become a profitable trader, and why it'll make you profitable in 3 months or less. Simply put, you cannot just buy cryptocurrencies and hold them anymore. That is no longer a viable strategy. You need to be a skilled active trader, and our education program will bring you from an absolute beginner or a holder to a skilled active trader that can use technical analysis, use market analysis, follow the current market sentiment, and trade these individual altcoins and cryptocurrencies to make your profit margins soar through the roof.